If you're looking to scale your dropshipping business, you've probably come across Oberlo and Modalyst. But which one is truly better for growing your business? That's exactly what we're going to dig into today, and by the end, you'll have a clear answer on which platform suits your needs. Plus, I'll reveal a surprise alternative that might just blow these options out of the water. Stick around, because if scaling is your goal, you won't want to miss what's coming up. First up, let's talk about Oberlo. Oberlo has long been a go-to platform for dropshippers, especially because it's integrated directly with Shopify. The platform makes it super easy to import products, manage orders, and customize your store. What's great about Oberlo is how seamless it is with Shopify's ecosystem. It's built specifically to work with it. The downside? Well, Oberlo doesn't have as many high-quality suppliers compared to others, and it often relies on AliExpress, which means your shipping times can be pretty slow, especially if you're targeting markets outside of the US. That can hurt your customer satisfaction and retention over time. Next thing, let's look at Modalyst. Modalyst sets itself apart with a focus on higher-end suppliers and a more curated selection of products. They work with US-based suppliers, which can speed up your shipping time significantly, especially for North American customers. However, while the product selection is more premium, it comes at a price. The monthly subscription is higher, and the margins you're working with are often slimmer compared to Oberlo. So, if you're just starting and need a budget-friendly solution, this could be a hurdle. Also, the platform isn't as tightly integrated with Shopify as Oberlo is, making it a bit more manual when it comes to syncing products and managing orders. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the user experience. Oberlo's interface is really easy to navigate, especially for beginners. It's simple, intuitive, and you can get your store set up and running in no time. Modalyst, on the other hand, is slightly more complex. It offers a range of filtering options and a more refined experience for more advanced sellers, but if you're just starting out, it can be a bit overwhelming. Plus, the product import process with Modalyst can be slower compared to Oberlo. Moving on to the next point, let's talk about automation and scaling features. Both platforms offer automation features like automatic order fulfillment, but they differ in how well they execute that. Oberlo is great for automating product imports and syncing your inventory, but Modalyst takes it up a notch with its automated order routing system, which can help you work with multiple suppliers and manage orders more efficiently. If you're running a larger operation and need more robust scaling features, Modalyst's advanced tools could be a key differentiator. Finally, I know you're here to figure out which software is better for scaling your dropshipping business. In my experience, both Oberlo and Modalyst have their strengths and weaknesses. But here's the kicker, while both are solid choices, they each have limitations that could hold you back from truly scaling your business. That's why, after trying both of these platforms myself, I'm recommending something better. If you want to seriously scale your dropshipping business and avoid the frustrations that come with Oberlo and Modalyst, there's an alternative that's going to blow these options out of the water. You can try it for free through the first link in the description below, and trust me, this free trial will give you exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, while Oberlo and Modalyst are decent for starting out, if you're looking for the best software to scale your dropshipping business without hitting those inevitable walls, don't wait. Check out the link below for your free trial and start growing today.